Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Let's get to some Grand Solar Minimum news. A new strong explosion occurred at Mexico's Popocatepetl volcano at about 4:52 on Saturday, UTC time. The event follows two strong explosions at 23:12 and 23:54 on Friday, and the strongest eruption at this volcano since 2013. Mexico's National Center for Disaster Prevention said the 4:52 UTC explosion ejected material that was deposited up to 1 kilometer from the edge of the crater. The eruption produced a column of ash that exceeding a height of 2.5 kilometers. The volcanic alert remains at yellow. The eruptive column reached the height of 8.5 kilometers by 5:52 UTC time. Webcams monitoring the volcano captured the following eruption at 23:12 on Friday. An amazing sight. And for more on volcano eruptions about Mount Agung, here's Mari.
Thanks, Jake. As we've reported on the Mount Agung volcano before, Indonesian authorities have raised the state of alert to its highest level and expanded the exclusion zone around the rumbling volcano. The island's airport is now closed, leaving thousands stranded in the tourist hotspot. Airport authorities said that 445 flights have been canceled, affecting about 59,000 travelers. Authorities say dark gas and ash have been billowing up to 3,400 meters. That's a little over 11,000 feet above the mountain's summit. Officials have warned residents to stay away from the rock and debris flows known as lahars, which have been spotted flowing down the mountain. Lahars, also known as cold lava, are slurries of rock fragments mixed with water and have been spotted in fields and rivers near the volcano. Mount Agung's volcanic tremors began in September. The National Board of Disaster Management raised the alert to a level 4 on Sunday because of the possibility and imminent risk of disaster. The volcano was seen emitting continuous ash puffs, occasionally accompanied by explosive eruptions and weak booms that could be heard 12 kilometers or about 7 miles away from the summit. How are locals coping? Authorities have widened the exclusion zone to a 10-kilometer or 6-mile radius from the volcano and have ordered people in the area to evacuate. On Monday, officials say about 100,000 residents needed to leave, but so far only 40,000 have done so. A spokesman for Indonesia's disaster agency said that some people within the exclusion zone did not leave because the area was not touched the last time it erupted more than 50 years ago. The last time Mount Agung erupted in 1963, more than 1,000 people died. Indonesia sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire where tectonic plates collide, causing frequent seismic and volcanic activity. It is home to more than 130 active volcanoes. No one can really say how things will turn out. The volcano might dampen down or the activity could evolve into a very big eruption. Scientists have a network of seismometers around Agung that allow them to follow its rumblings, which give them clues as to what's going on inside. This will be complemented by gas detectors. Again, this gives the researchers insights into the physical processes in play. On top of that, scientists have access to satellite observations. Already, these have detected an increase in sulfur dioxide emissions. Radar spacecraft, in particular, are taking a close look at Agung. They can sense any subtle changes in the shape of the volcano that may indicate a very large volume of magma moving closer to the surface. It is complex work, but the experts in this field are relatively convinced that a slow uplift in the northern flank has been going on for some time. It may come to nothing, but high-resolution radar data is now being studied to see if more pronounced changes are occurring. We'll keep you updated on the Grand Solar Minimum.